Hi, I am Mazin.
Hi, my name is Imran.
Hi, my name is Hakan. We are
SS students.
First of all, what is time capsule? Time capsule is a historic cache of goods or information, usually intended as a method of communication with future people and to help future archaeologists, anthropologists, or historians. It's like we put our favorite things in a box and we open it 50 years later.
Do you know what are we going to put in this time capsule box?
We are going to put our favorite books.
This is my favorite book. The title is Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Getaway. It's about a kid that have a problem in a family and he make a journal, all just like a diary. I will put this book in the time capsule box.
It's my favorite book. The title is The Everything Kid. This is joke book. I love this book because I love joke.
It is my favorite book. The book is When I Was a Kid. This book is about the childhood story. I will put this book into a time capsule.
So the favorite book that I want to put in that box is this book. It is about Minecraft the Island. I really love these books because it is about a man that suddenly he go inside the Minecraft world. I don't know because I didn't read until the end yet. So that's it. I just want that. This is the books that I want to put that in the time capsule box. Yes. Now we are going to put these books in this time capsule. Oi, my book.
Finish ah.
Good.
Yang tak dibuang.
Bye.
So we are so excited to know that how you feel about the time capsule box that you open 50 years later. Maybe it will not exist at that time and you will remember it until you die.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye.